He asked me which way I liked it. I told him I like my shit from back.
What's up, y'all? It's Michelle, but you can call me Michelle, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, y'all, as you can see from the title, this is going to be a soft locks update slash how to refresh and refurbish your soft locks. Okay, so we just gonna jump right into it, y'all. So I'm just basically gonna give y'all like a little rundown. I don't want this video to be too long because I know y'all probably just want to get to the business. Okay, so I've had these in since July 6th is when I finished the style, and today is August 8th. So I've had these in about a month, and let me just start off by saying I love this style. Hands down worth it. All the time that it took, it was definitely worth it, because I just love it. They just look so natural, and they just, I don't know, I just love it. I love them on me. I love them on other people. Like, they just look good. It's hard to go wrong to me. So sorry, I was looking in the mirror. Acidity me, not just playing. But yeah, so I already knew from like when I put these in that they were probably going to get frizzy really fast, because my hair is very prone to being frizzy. Braid outs, twist outs, bantu knots, any of them type of styles never really worked for me. Like, I could do them, but either during the separation process or just like 1 or 2 days afterwards, it just gets too frizzy and the style just doesn't look right. I already knew that my hair would just get frizzy because I've had box braids and all kinds of, and tribal braids and all that. My hair is just, it's just a frizzy type. Like, you can't really tell right now. Like, it's hard to see. Let me just zoom in. They're frizzy. They're really frizzy at the roots, but like, I already knew that, so I'm really not mad at that. And this is like bright. Oh my god, this is bright. You really don't have much to do. It's a very low maintenance style. Like, besides your edges, that's the only hair that you necessarily have out for real. So it's really low maintenance. Like, you can get them wet, I guess. I haven't really got them wet because I haven't went swimming all summer. So yeah, I haven't tested that out, but I mean, I don't see why you wouldn't be able to get them wet. Besides your roots, I mean, they would probably get frizzy because, you know, got them wet with. That's pretty much it. I haven't had to do too much to it. It's nice. They look nice as long as you do the edges and, you know, keep them up to date. I've been a little slacking on that because, I don't know, I just don't be feeling like doing nothing, to be honest. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and get into how I'm going to refresh these and everything. So yeah. Okay, y'all, as you can see, this one has unraveled. I'm really only going to do the part that's in the front because that's the most prominent part. Like, everything else, I mean, it matters, but I rarely wear them in a bun. So the back really, they're almost always down, so you can't really see anything in the back for real. Maybe the middle, but like, still, I like them a little bit frizzy because they look more natural to me anyway. So yeah. So we really just gonna worry about the front. The front is low-key the worst part, and I don't know why I let it get this bad, but I don't know. So as you can see, this twist in the front has, like, I don't know if it ripped, like the hair ripped, or like what, or just like unraveled, and you can basically see my braid in the lock now, which is a mess. Same thing with this one, and also the braid is showing on this one at the root. Maybe I just got really lazy at the top, like, because I had been doing this for like a day and some change. So like, I was tired. Look at this one, y'all, like a mess, honey. This is my braid coming out. Like, I do have a little build up, but that's not really nothing major, you know. It's just a little something. Let me see what else. Like, I gotta cut some of this off. Like, I don't know why that's even like that. And the rest of them are just like really frizzy at the roots. I don't really know if it's just frizz or is my hair growing like super fast. I want to believe that it's my hair growing super fast. I really hope it is, because as y'all know, I've been taking my biotin every day. And so I already ran through one of these, and it's 60 per what is it, 60 per bottle or whatever, 60 capsules, is that called, tablets in it. So yeah, I really hope that it is just my hair growing, but I know some of it is just due to my hair just being frizzy. But we're gonna do a length check when I take these down, okay? So we're just gonna jump right into it. All right, okay y'all, I had to go ahead and just smooth my edges out the way. So I know some people take the whole thing down when they refresh it, but I feel like that's just a whole lot of work, and this is just a more simple way. So basically what you do is you take your crochet needle, and then you take your passion twist hair, and you're going to put your crochet needle through your braid. You're going to loop around your crochet hair. I said crochet hair, Lord Jesus. You're going to hoop, loop, scoop. And you're going to put that onto the crochet needle, and then you're just going to pull it through. Then you're just going to you're going to put both ends of your passion twist hair through the loop, and it's basically just going to make a knot. And you're going to pull that, and now it's secure onto your hair, right? Then you're going to take your passion twist hair, and I like to fluff mine out because it just gives it more coverage, I feel like, and it's just like easier to blend towards the ends. So yeah, as you can see, my hair, my braid is showing, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist right at the root, and you're basically gonna do the same thing that you do when you did the style the first time. You're just gonna wrap it around the hair. The only thing about this method is it will look a little more bulky because you're putting hair on top of hair on top of hair, so it's going to look more bulky, but I really don't mind. It beats me having to take down the whole style, so yeah. So you're just going to twist that around until you get to the end. Okay, so once you get to the end, you're going to do basically the same thing that you did for the style the first time, and you're just going to put some glue onto the hair, and then you're going to wrap that tightly around the lock, and it's going to secure it. And then you palm roll it, and that's it, y'all. That's all it is to it. I know this came out just a little bit, but it is okay. I don't really care. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It is just a little bit more bulky, but again, I don't really care. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go to the next one. You're gonna go ahead and take your crochet needle and put it through the root of your base. Then you're gonna take your passion twist hair and loop it onto the crochet hook. You're gonna close it, take it through your braid, and you're gonna put, you can either do one of the strands of the passion twist, or you can do both. I'm just gonna do both because I don't know, I just want to do both. And you're just gonna pull it, and that's just gonna secure it on there. Okay, if you haven't already checked out my how to do soft locks tutorial, go check that out, and make sure y'all like and leave a comment. And you just want to keep wrapping it all the way to the end of the passion twist hair. Once you get to the end, you're going to take some more glue, and you're going to, it's not going to focus, put a dot of glue onto the hair like that, and then you're going to wrap the passion twist hair right onto the glue tightly and palm roll it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of them because I still got a little bit more on this side. This one messed up and this one is too. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that and then I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, y'all, so I just finished rewrapping them. So now I'm finna go in with this. If I can find a picture of this, I'll put it on, but this is it. I don't really know the name because as you can see, it's like wearing off. Like, it controls frizz, moisturizes. It's hard to read, y'all. It's really hard to read, but it smells super good. So yeah, and it fixes my dry scalp because if y'all don't know, I have dry scalp very bad, okay? Oh, let me zoom in for y'all. So I'm just gonna put this over my parts. And I'm just gonna put a whole bunch on my fingertips and like massage this into my scalp because it is very much well needed. My head doesn't really be itching or anything, but a healthy scalp leads to healthy hair, okay? So I'm just putting this all over my fingertips and then I'm just massaging it in onto my scalp. And scalp massages help with hair growth because it brings blood flow into your scalp and then that leads to your hair growing. If you don't already know, now you know. As you can see, it doesn't look brand new, but I mean, it's not going to because I didn't add like gel or anything when I was rewrapping the roots or whatever because I already had buildup and I didn't want to add like more buildup. And I'm only gonna keep these in for about another month, maybe at the most. So I didn't want to do too much, but yeah. This is what it's looking like right now. I'm finna go ahead and wrap it with like a bandana or something just to like reinforce the hairs to lay down. And then I'm gonna come back to y'all and close this out for y'all, okay? Alright, y'all. So this is what I'm working with. It's not the greatest. It's still some frizzies, but I look a lot better in person. And they still look good. These are gonna still last me about a month, hopefully. So yeah, let me stand up for y'all. I was trying to get a full body, but these are too long to try to get a full body, so we're gonna do like we did last video, okay? So yeah, this is what they look like. They still look real good, baby. So yeah, be looking forward to some new videos because I got some exciting things going on, you know, behind the scenes. So be looking for a new video coming real soon. And yeah, in the meantime, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Peace.